Hello dear aspirants, this is Dr. Sourav Sir Classes. Our contact number is 98367 93076. Again I am repeating our contact number, which is 98367 93076, and our email ID is souravsirclasses@gmail.com. So if you have any mathematical queries, doubts or anything, so please feel free to contact on this number. That means you can call on this number or you can WhatsApp also. Rather, you can drop an email to our email ID, then our team can arrange it out clearing session for you. After that, you can join our regular batches, our one-on-one sessions and our online classes. So that will be beneficial for your preparation of upcoming examinations like ISC, entrance tests of ISI, CMI, etc. So please feel free to contact if you need any help from us. Okay. So now we are going to solve a problem which appeared in the ISI QEA JRF question paper. So please, so now the question is telling us that we have to find the limit at x tends to 0 sin x log x. So provide a derivation and you can use the standard theorems about limits. So we are tasked with evaluating the limit which is given as limit x tends to 0 sin x log x. So now we are going to analyze the behavior of the sin x and log x. So what can be done here? So as our so as our x is tending to 0, we know that our sin x goes to 0, and when our x is tending to 0, we know that our log x will tend to minus infinity because they are the uh, fractions. Okay. So thus the limit fractions, or rather any smaller term which is lying between 0 to 1. So thus the limit extends to 0 sin x log x is of indeterminate form 0 into minus infinity. Okay. So let us rewrite the limit in this form. So we can write it in this form. So limit x tends to 0 log x by 1 by. So now at x equals to 0, this is in minus infinity by infinity form. So as we are getting this form, so since the limit is of minus infinity by infinity form, we can apply the L'Hospital rule. So we can differentiate the numerator and the denominator along with respect to x. So then what we will get? Limit x tends to 0. Differentiation of log x with respect to x will be 1 by x, and 1 by sin x will be what? That will be uh, yeah, so that will be cos x by sin square x, and minus will come this side. We are using the chain rule of derivative. So 1 by sin x, so that will look like 1 by x. So the derivative of s is minus 1 by x square. So we got minus 1 by sin x square here, sin square x here, and we got the derivative of sin x, which is cos x, which have written in the upper. Okay. So that is equals to what? So then our limit will be sin square x by x cos x. So fine, so good. So now what can we do? So the limit can be written as minus of limit x tends to 0. Let us take the sin x aside. Sin x by x, and let us take limit x tends to 0 sin x by cos. So now this limit is very known to all. This is limit x tends to 0 sin x upon x is 1. and minus is here. So we got -1 from this. And this is what? This is limit x tends to 0, tan x. And we all know that tan of 0 is 0, so that limit will be 0. So finally what we are getting? 0 into -1, so which is 0. Okay. So the final answer, that means the limit, that means our limit x tends to 0, sine x log x is equals to 0. Hope you understood, guys. Again, I am telling that if you are having any other doubts or queries or anything, so please feel free to contact on this number. That means you can call on this number, or you can WhatsApp also. Rather, you can drop an email to our email ID. Then our team can arrange it out clearing session for you. After that, you can join our regular batches, our one-on-one sessions, and our online classes. So that will be beneficial for your preparation of upcoming examinations. Okay. Hope you understood, guys. Thank you.